What's up, everybody? This is Scott coming from WingNation. We got a restaurant coming to you from Chicken and Chips. And today we have a buffalo, we have a garlic parm, and we have a hot sweet, I think they call it. It's a mix between the barbecue and a buffalo. We're going to try them out. I'm going to let you know how they are. Let's try out the buffalo first. Right off the rip, they smell pretty good. They look soggy. They are soggy. Smell good. Smell like a good quality buffalo. Not bad. The chicken is cooked very well. They're a chicken specialty restaurant. They do tenders. They do the full pieces on the bone. So they know how to cook their chicken. The skin is a little soggy, but it is what it is. Not bad. I'd say it's a middle of the road type of wing. Give it a solid 3. 1 is really nasty. 2 is getting a little bit better. 3 is good average. 4 is phenomenal. 5 is just the best wing you've ever had in your life. Probably not going to get a lot of 5s, but that's how we're going to rate this. Let's go to the sweet heat. Quality of the chicken is consistent. Cooked very well. Nice and moist. The sauce itself, I don't know, it's not too flavorful. You don't really get too much of an overwhelming feel of barbecue or buffalo. I don't know, it's a little bland. I would say it's a 3, but maybe like a 2.8, just really below that 3 mark. It's okay. Garlic parm. A lot of garlic parm wings that I've had, the skin is crispy. These are not. These are just as soggy as the other 2. Chicken looks nice and moist. Good flavor. Pretty good. Not bad. Again, not too prominent on that flavor, but has a good one at least. Let's go in for another one. It's a solid wing. Overall, I would say probably another 2.8. Not bad. Pretty good. It's just the sogginess. I'm not a huge fan of soggy wings. I'm more of a crispy type wing. A lot of sauces kind of do make the skin more soggy than others, but these are a little bit more on the soggy side than not. Overall, it's a pretty decent place. It's Chicken and Chips in New Hampshire, Nashua. Not bad place. I'd say give it a try if you're in the area. This is Scott. Hope this helps. See you next time.